Welcome. The Helpful Tips Show will be starting very, very soon. This is our intro. My name is Roger Keyserling of Keywebco.com and Keywebco.net. We talk about many subjects here. One of them is making money. If you need a website or you are checking in on Tuesday, use our video chat lobby at Keywebco.net. Just log in and there you'll be. Today's show will be on a myriad of topics, and I'm glad that you guys made it here to watch our show tonight. If you need excellent shopping, you can always find that at Keywebco.com. If you need to know what kind of products to sell, we can help you out there too. Again, my name is Roger Keyserling of Keywebco.com and Keywebco.net.